Ever wondered how to start a vegan workout plan? It's all about the basics. Start off with simple exercises like short walks or treadmill sessions. Try out home-based muscle training exercises too. These are perfect for beginners. But remember, motivation is key. Whether it's an upbeat tune or your favorite TV show, find what keeps you moving. Establishing a regular exercise habit is essential. Starting slow and steady is the key to a successful vegan workout journey. Ready to take the next step? Time to choose a workout plan that works for you. A well-structured plan is crucial, aiming for exercises that target all your muscle groups. It's about striking a balance. Cardio for endurance and blood sugar regulation, strength training to build muscle and boost overall fitness. Remember, each exercise type complements the other, creating a fitness routine that's as well-rounded as your vegan diet. A balanced workout plan is vital for overall health and fitness. What should a vegan eat to fuel their workouts? Well, given that plant-based protein sources don't last as long in the body as animal-based proteins, vegans may need to consume a bit more energy to keep up with their workouts. This doesn't mean you need to eat a full meal, though. A simple snack or a protein shake 30 minutes before and after your exercise can do the trick, replenishing your energy stores and keeping you powered up. Remember, the right vegan diet can fuel your workout effectively. Ready to implement changes to your vegan workout plan? The key to success lies in doing so safely and effectively. It's about balancing your fitness aspirations with your dietary choices. A well-rounded workout plan combined with proper nutrition can propel you towards your fitness goals. Remember, your vegan diet is not a limitation but a unique strength. By implementing changes wisely, you can maximize the benefits of a vegan workout plan. Are you ready to become a vegan warrior? Let's recap our journey. We started with the warrior's beginning, taking those first crucial steps towards a healthier lifestyle with simple exercises. Then, we learned about choosing a balanced workout plan, one that targets all muscle groups and combines cardio with strength training for overall fitness. We touched on the importance of diet in supporting your workout routine. Remember, as a vegan, you'll need to ensure you're replenishing your energy stores before and after exercise. Don't forget about the diverse options available for workouts. Exploring non-traditional methods like sports or martial arts can make your fitness journey more enjoyable. Finally, we stress the importance of implementing these changes safely and effectively. Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle is about more than just diet. It's about achieving a balanced and healthy lifestyle. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a vegan warrior. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Happy training.